Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Hartley and welcome to my presentation on everyone's favorite learning management system, Blackboard. Today we're going to go over some of the functionalities of Blackboard and what it's used for. And so one of the best functionalities of Blackboard is all your assignments are in one location. So for instance, this class, we would click on, here's our class right here, the IDET class, and here's where we click. So one of the questions is that many students will have is what would be graded, what assignments would be graded, and how they would be graded. And to figure that out, we'll have to find the rubric. And so in order to find the rubric, let's just find one of our assignments. And to do that, we'll go to our discussion forum. This is the first assignment here, but this is not for a grade, so we're going to pass this over for right now. Here's our first grade assignment, the Reading Rationale Learning Experiences. So we'll click on that. And here's this button that says Grading Information. We'll click here. And there's a little icon right here, and there's a little grade by rubric that's kind of hidden underneath it. If you click on that, and there's your rubric with everything that you would ever need to know about how this assignment is graded and what the grade could be. So another question that students might have is how to submit an assignment on Blackboard. So in order to do this, let's go and find one of our assignments again. To this, we'll go back to our discussion forum. And here's this first assignment again. And so in order to submit an assignment on this, we will create a thread. And so in creating a thread, and here are the description, the kind of the rules of how we write this form. And so we'll need a subject line, and we can call this module 1 assignment, right? And then down here, we can either text an entry right here, or instead we can go somewhere like say Google Docs, for instance. And we can type something out in Google Docs. And this is, in Google Docs, it's a little bit easier because it will automatically autocorrect for you from helpo to hello. Whereas in the create a thread, if you type helpo for some reason, it's not going to fix itself. So the best way to do this is to do in Google Docs or say a Word document, then copy and paste it from here into your little message bar. And once you have everything typed out, you can just click submit down here. So on these discussion forums, a lot of times you're going to need to reply to other people. And so in order to reply to other people, you need to find their discussions. So in this case, let's go to this first one here, and someone's already posted, and I've already watched their video. So you can say, there's this reply button right here, and you can click that reply button, and you can scroll down, and you can type whatever message, such as, great video, very insightful. There, something like that. I was need to figure that, but anyway, very insightful. And then you can click submit on that. The other thing that you can do is create a link to something. For instance, if I want to create a link to, say, one of my other videos that I've created, I can come up here, and here's a video I created for another class, and I can copy that. And then there's this little button here that says insert/edit link. Click that, and you can paste your URL into there. And you can say what your text display is. And I can say, here's my video. And you can save. And then it creates a hyperlink to your video there. So I'm not going to submit this, but that's how you do it. And probably one of the most important course tools, in my opinion, that will help students get out of a lot of trouble that they might find themselves in, is this button right over here that says calendar. If you click on that, this calendar shows up with every assignment and every due date that you have. This will help you keep you on task, and you can even link this to your other calendars, say in your Islander email calendar, and that way you can keep yourself on track and know when to turn in assignments. Anyway, that's my presentation on how to use Blackboard.